everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. I just dropped the kids off at school. Oh, I'm out of breath because I just went up the steps. But I am going to take you through like a typical morning after I drop them off. What I clean in the morning before I actually start my day. So first I'm going to get started in the kids' room. Just, making my way from top to bottom. I'm just going to pick up a few things off the floor, get all the dirty clothes because I'm going to end up washing a load as well, and then make their beds. Their room is really not junky in the morning because I like to clean at night before they go to bed as well, the mess that they make. So let's get started with that, and then we'll go downstairs and get started downstairs as well.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through colored glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
Moving on downstairs, I am going to go ahead and start a load of laundry. I like to start laundry early so I can at least get it dried and folded. Maybe not put away, but at least all folded before it's time for me to go get them from school.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss, look almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you.
I still wash all of my kids in baby detergent, but this is the Action one, so it's supposed to help with a little bit more of the dirt. And since it is approaching flu season, I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I like to add a little bit of laundry sanitizer, just to a little extra precaution with them actually going to school. With downstairs, I like to just do a quick tidy up, basically pick up the toys and straighten up just a little bit, nothing too deep. But this particular morning I had washed the couch cushions the night before and they were dry, so now it's time to put them back on, because if I don't, all of this cushion will be destroyed and on the floor.
York and your LA come together, feel the shock waves.
Now moving on to my room. Basically what I do in my room is open the curtains, straighten up what's on the floor, and then make up the bed. If I don't make up the bed, then you can just cancel the whole day because I'm getting back in it.
You're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. The way your body syncopates. You're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
Last thing on the list is the kitchen.
And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. The way your body syncopates. You're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh. do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so cool. It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you?
The last thing that I am going to do is figure out and take out our meat for dinner.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but
So that is pretty much how my morning goes. Not every morning is the same. Like, for example, every morning I don't have to put the couch cushions on, but for the most part I do clean up my room and then the kids' rooms as far as straightening up and making their beds, emptying the trash. I don't do a load of laundry every day, so that's different. And then I also empty the trash because of course you got pampers from the night before, pull-ups from the night before, and I straighten up the kitchen from breakfast. So after I do all that, then I go ahead and start my day.
I said don't